warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again to my vlog, English vlog, and today in evening I want to make uh, hmm, programmer. I want to make a how wait. This is my finger. This can connect to this my program. Wait, I want to tell you which my program. This my finger can detection. What I do, but now I saw there is a bug in here, and we must nah this so I don't know how I download Python version 13 atau 15, but I cannot to run my terminal, and now I must uninstall the Python version that, and I download again version 2000 okay this okay success, and I want you see how we can make the program. Okay, plus and now we in here we open GMD, and most typing Python version. Okay, and you can see this file. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.